This will show you how to add an expense into EasyCars using the UltraLite version. First, you need to open EasyCars. Once this is open, you will need to find the stock number or registration number which you wish to add that expense to. You can find the stock number by using any of these search fields at the top. For this purpose, I will use the browse screen. Once I have selected the vehicle, you then need to click on the expenses tab, which is at the top right hand side. In here, if you had any expenses already saved, you would see a list of all of those expenses. To add a new one, click on the add button at the top left, and this new screen will appear. You first need to select the date of the expense and put that in there, then tab across and type in who you paid that expense to. If they are a company that is already in the list, they will come up in the drop-down list like so, and you can select them. If, however, they are a new company, you'll need to type in their name here, and once you tab out of that screen, it will ask you if you wish to save it into that list for future. Select yes to that, and a new screen will appear where you can then type in all of the details of that company. If you don't have all of the details right then and there, that's fine. You can just save it as is, and you can always go back and edit it later on. If they are a GST registered company, make sure you tick GST registered. Fill in as much details as you can, and then click OK once you're done. Going back to the expense, we will then need to pop in the price of the expense. And because we have ticked it as a GST registered company, you will notice that the GST is worked out for you automatically. You can then pop in a reference if you wish. This may be something like an invoice number. And then just below it, you'll need to pop in a description of what that expense is. Once that is done, click on Save at the top left of that box, and that expense is then attached to that vehicle for you.